Coronaviruses are tiny structures that are invisible to the naked eye. They consist of spike protein covering their outer surface. On exposure, the virus enters host cells by using these spike proteins. The spikes attach themselves to the negatively charged walls of a host cell, thus forming a bridge that enables the virus to enter the host cell. In the host cell, it replicates and releases other virus particles to spread infection. It then proceeds to multiply within the host cell. The technology to contain the coronavirus lies in disabling the bridge, that is, the S protein of the virus. Introducing a revolutionary solution, Forbes Coronaguard, powered by Shycocan. It attacks, disables, and protects by attenuating 99.9% corona family of viruses in enclosed spaces. Forbes Coronaguard's hypercharged cannon fires trillions of negatively charged photons in the air, thus creating an electron cloud across closed spaces. The negatively charged electrons neutralize the positively charged S proteins present on every virus particle. The result: up to 99.9% corona family of viruses disabled on surfaces and in the air, giving you real-time protection in closed spaces. Forbes Coronaguard, powered by Shycocan, has been tested and certified by reputed labs. Tested for performance, tested for safety, armed with regulatory permissions. Forbes Coronaguard, powered by Shycocan, has been notified by US FDA under Enforcement Discretion Policy. This innovative breakthrough technology was invented by Dr. Raja Vijayakumar. A plug-and-play device, it delivers necessary signals to photon-mediated electron emitters, PMEE, that generates hypercharged high-velocity electrons, thus reducing infectivity and prevents air and surface-borne transmission of coronaviruses. We at Eureka Forbes have been fighting threats like viruses and bacteria by providing healthy water, cleaner lifestyle, pure air, and secure homes. For over 38 years, Eureka Forbes has protected more than 20 million families and is committed to protect millions more for years to come. Forbes Coronaguard attenuates 99.9% corona family of viruses in enclosed spaces.